Good morning students, welcome in online English class. In previous video, we read about the ants' homes, their wishing style, and we learn that ants ant ant lives peacefully in their homes. Work is divided among the ants. They do their share of work clearly and bravely, and no ant interferes in the work of another. They live peacefully without fighting. Now, today, we are going to read about queen ant. The population of ants in a particular colony, particular area, has a mother ant, which is known as the queen ant. It lives for about 15 years. It lives for about 15 years. It has a pair of wings. On a hot summer day, it finds or meets to a male ant in form of drove high up in the air. After returning, it gets rid of its wings and does nothing but lay eggs. So it is the processing of laying eggs. I think students, all of you understood the processing of laying eggs. When the eggs hatch, the grubs, students, all of you know the grubs, young ants are known as grubs. Grubs come out. Each ant work has already decided. The soldiers are responsible for guarding them, while the workers feed and clean them. The workers, what is the work of the workers? They feed and clean them. Along with it, the workers carried them about for airing, exercise, and sunshine. After 2 or 3 weeks, the grubs turn into cocoons. The grubs turn into cocoons. These cocoons lie without food or activity for another 3 weeks, after which these cocoons break and ants appear. These young ants are trained by the elder ants for a few weeks, after which they are ready to start working themselves. So students, in this paragraph, we read how one egg becomes an ant. As eggs hatch, grubs comes out, grubs turn into cocoons, and cocoons into young ant. And all they depend on the another ant for their work. And each ant work has already divided. Now in the next paragraph, the author speaks about the other creatures who also lived with the ant. Many other creatures like beetles, green fly, etc. live with the ants in their ant hills. Some give off pleasant smell, while some give some sweet juice. Some others are kept as pet. The green fly trained by the ant to give honeydew. Which fly? The green fly is trained by the ant to give honeydew with a touch of their antennae, just like cow give us milk. In the next paragraph, the author questions whether we have learned so much as ants have and whether have utilized our knowledge for the good. Yes, students, if we learn something from the ant, yes, we can learn so many things. He says that there are many things that we may learn from the tiny teachers. And what are these things? Hard work, responsibility, discipline, cleanliness, concern for our young ones, and loyalty to the place we live in. There are so many things we can learn from this tiny teacher. Along with this video, I am sending you this chapter PDF. All of you read this story carefully. Tomorrow we will discuss question answer. So please read this story carefully. Thank you. Have a nice day.